AB, A bar B bar plus A bar B plus AB plus A B bar. Okay, this four boxes you will have in the two variable K map. Already we have discussed that one. So how to draw the two variable K map, three variable K map, and four variable K map. In the previous class I have defined. To take down that two variable K map box. So what are the values inside that box? So if the value is going to be A equal to 0, B equal to 0 means we need to write in terms of A bar, B bar. Okay, the first box contains 0, 0 value, that is nothing but A bar, B bar. So second box contains A equal to 0, B equal to 1. A equal to 0, B equal to 1 is nothing but we can represent in terms of A bar, B. Third box, that is the third value. Okay, it will be in the term of A, B bar. The last value will be A, B. That is for two variable K map. So in the same way, we are having three variable K map. Three variable K map starting from A bar, B bar, C bar. So up to each value 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 like that it will come. Start from 0 to 7 values it will come. Okay. So in our first question, you see the values there. So it is greater than 7. Okay. It is greater than 7 and less than 15. So less than or equal to 50. So we can go for four variable K map. So first you draw the structure of four variable K map. So this can be solved using four variable K map. So draw the structure for four variable K map. Hey, don't talk da. So first write down the values. So what is the first box contains? So I will solve both using, suppose if I am keeping AB here, so the same thing can be solved using so for example, if I am going to take AB here, so both the cases we will get the same answer. We will verify that one. Okay. Listen carefully. This K map, if you are going to write the variables AB over here and CD over here, this is equal to AB over here and CD over here. We are going to prove that one. Okay. So you can follow any one method. Either you can take AB this side or CD that side. That is your wish. So what is this value? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So first write the values. Then we need to identify the decimal, equivalent decimal value inside the box. Okay. So what is this decimal value here? So what is the decimal value here? So write in the form of A, B, C, D. So write in the form of A, B, C, D. A value is 0, B value is 0, C value is 0, D value is 0. So all the values is 0. So this decimal value will be 0. Okay. So next case. This box also you should return in the form of A, B, C, D. So A value is equal to 0, B value is equal to 0, C value is equal to 0, D value is equal to 1. So this value will be equal to 1. So clear how I am writing this decimal value? Any doubt in this? This value is nothing but A, B, C, D value is 0, 0, 0, 0. So I am writing it as 0, 0. This value is 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. This value 0, 0, 1, 1. So what is the answer? 0, 0, 1, 1 is nothing but 3. So here 0, 0, 1, 0. The value is 2. Okay. So this value is nothing but, so we have used the value as A, B, C, D. Don't change this variable. If you are changing this variable means it will be in the other format. So what is this value then? A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 0, D equal to 0. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So then where will be the 8? So 8 value is equivalent binary value is 1 triple 0. Where is the box contains 1 triple 0? So here the box contains 1 triple 0. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Any doubt on this? In the similar way, suppose if I am going to take AB here and CD here, okay, you can draw in any format. If you are changing the value means you should be very careful that in this decimal value is also having some other value. Okay, you should be very careful. So here AB means here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now tell what is the value in this box. Now here AB, this value is called AB. Okay, I have mentioned this value is AB here. So this value is equal to 0. Any doubt in this? So I have changed the variable AB in the topmost position. Okay, so there will be a change in this decimal value also. So now 1. So if I am writing AB here means it will come in the row wise. If I am writing AB here means it will come in the column wise. That is only difference. Be careful while writing this. Substitute the value you will get. Follow any one method. Okay. So only difference is, so here 0 means in the next adjacent box, that is in the row wise it will come 1 2 3 like that. Okay. So if I am changing this position means AB in the topmost position and CD in the bottommost position means it will come in the column wise. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Is it clear? You can follow any one thing, but you should be very careful. If you are writing this and doing that tabular column means it is totally wrong. So if you are using AB here means this is a tabular column. Choose any one. Okay, you can follow any one universal procedure. So I am going to follow this one for all the problems. Hereafter, whatever problem I am going to solve in K-map method, I am going to solve using this only. Okay, I will tell that both are equal only. Right. So now we can take the first question. So what is the values they have given? 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. You place the corresponding one in the corresponding decimal values. So 0 is having, so here I need to put 1. How I am placing this 1 is nothing but, so in the problem they have given 0, 1, 3, 5. So for all these values I need to make it as a min term. Since it is going to be a min term, I need to put 1 in the box. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Check whether you have placed all the ones in the box or not. If you miss any value means the answer will be totally wrong. Okay. Don't talk now. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now I am going to combine the adjacent ones. So that combination can be either, first I need to check for the 16 cell combination. So if all the boxes contain 1 means I can combine all the 16 boxes and I can write the answer as 1. Okay, that is the first possible thing. So in our problem there is no such case. So all the boxes is not containing 1 here. Okay, so only few of the boxes is containing 1 here. Is it clear? So this combination is not possible in our problem. Next I need to go for 8 cell combination. So 8 cell combination is nothing but, suppose here 4 rows is containing 1 and here 4 rows is containing 1 means we can go for the 8 cell combination. So here 4 1, here 4 1, we can go for the 8 cell combination. Here 4 also we can go for the 8 cell combination. Also topmost position and bottommost position also we can take. This position left hand side and right hand side also we can take. Like as a paper we are folding like this. Okay. So if you are having one paper means if you are folding both the edges means we can combine both the edges. Okay, in the similar way we can combine top to bottom also. So here also 4 ones are there, here also 4 ones are there means we can combine. Okay, in between middle row also if we are containing 4 ones, here also 4 ones means we can combine. These two boxes containing 4 ones also we can combine, this two also 8 cell combination, also octet we can combine. But in our case there is no such octet. We are having some boxes left with no values. Okay, so this is also not possible in our case. Next I need to go for 4 cell combination. 4 cell combination is possible. So also you think that suppose here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1 also we can combine. Why? Because top to bottom also we can fold, right to left also we can fold. So here no 1 is present. 4 cell combination. Suppose if here 1 is present means we can combine this 4. If any 1 is present here, we can combine any this 4. If here 1 is present means we can combine this 4. But we are not having such case. So any 4 cell combination is available. Is there? Where? So we are having this. Okay. 4 cell combination is possible. Any other 4 thing? Any other 4 cell combination? This we can't able to combine. This is not adjacent one. If it is here means we can combine. Otherwise here means this 2 and this 2 we can combine. This is not adjacent. Okay. So what is the answer for this? This is the first. We have identified the first one is nothing but, listen carefully. So here all the 4 boxes have combined together. All the 4 boxes combined together means we no need to see these values. So whatever the value over here, directly we need to write that value. Okay. All the 4 boxes will become, because here we are taking 0 common outside. 0 common outside means this 0 and 1 anyway it is going to become 1. So here also 1 we are getting common outside. 0 plus 1 it is going to become 1. So here 0 plus 1 it is going to become 1. So totally this cell, whatever this 4 cell is going to become 1 in this side. AB is going to become 1 in this side. So only this is in 0. C is nothing but 0 means C bar. D is having 1. So C bar D. This value is going to be C bar D. So any doubt in this, how I have written this? So this 4 cell anyway it is going to make a pair as 1. So all this combination it is going to be 1. Okay. So in like Boolean algebra, what we have discussed, 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So likewise we are going to combine means it is going to anyway going to be 1. So only thing is this column corresponding value I need to take and I need to write. Corresponding value is 0, 1. 0, 1 is for CD. CD, how we can write 0 in terms of C as 0 means complement of C bar. Then D is nothing but D. Okay. So next case. So what is the next thing we can combine? So no other possible thing. So no other 4 cell combination is possible. We need to go with the 2 cell combination only. Okay. So next possible thing, 4 cell we have combined with 1 octet. So this K-map is having one quad and 2 cell combination. That is called, we will call it as pair. 2 cell combination we will call it as pair. 8 cell we will call it as octet. 8 cell we will call it as octet. 4 cell means we will call it as quad. 2 cell is we will call it as pair. How many pairs are available in this K-map? Okay. How many pairs are available? Any 2. Already it is combined with the previous one also we can combine. Listen carefully. Don't think that it is already combined with some other cell so that you can't combine this one. We can combine with this adjacent one. So already it is a combination of any other thing also we can combine. That is the rule for K-map. Okay. So how many pairs are available? So this 2 will form one pair. Right? This 2 will form one pair. This 2 will form another pair. So instead of going with this, if I am going to combine here, once again I am going to combine here. Instead of going that, I can combine this 2. Okay, I can reduce one expression. So if I am combining like this means, for example, if I am combining like this means, so I will end up with the 2 expressions. So in order to overcome that, simplify. In our problem we have given us simplify. Suppose if it is not possible means we can combine. Here it is possible thing to combine with adjacent one. Okay, so there are 3 pairs in this problem. So here 3 pairs. So the first pair, this answer is, I am going to write this answer. Okay, listen carefully. So this box and this box is a common box. Okay, this box and this box is a common box. Take the common variable outside. What is the common variable? 0 is a common variable. Okay, 0 is for C. So the value is C bar. Take the common variable outside. This is a common variable. AB is nothing but 0, 0. So this value will be A bar, B bar, C bar. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? So next I need to take this value. So what is the value? So here also common value is A bar, B bar in this common variable. What is the common variable? A bar, B bar, D. Okay, next, in this, what is the value? Take the common variable. 1, 1 is a common. 1, 1 value is nothing but AB. So in this 2 box, take the common variable outside. AB, C. Okay. So now write the answer as, combine all the values. Y is equal to C bar D plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar D plus ABC. This is your answer. Another one is there. So another one means we can combine here. Another pair. Okay. So this answer is, this common variable is here now. Common variable is here. So in this 2 box, take the common value outside. C D bar A plus AC D bar. So don't miss any ones. All the ones should be combined. Okay, I forgot to combine this one. So now you can clearly see that all the ones have been combined in your problem. Okay, this is your answer, final answer. This question can be asked in 8 mark. So only thing is, you need to identify the properly. Either it is going to be a octet, quad. Mostly they won't ask for the 16 cell. Or 16 cell, if they are giving means answer is 1. You can blindly write it as answer is 1, no need to combine anything. All the 16 boxes containing 1 means the answer is going to be 1. No need to calculate anything. Okay. Definitely they won't give like that. So maybe they will give us an octet, quad and pair. Suppose if pair is also not possible means what I need to do? If pair is also not possible means only one is there means we need to combine that single one. Okay. Single one means, suppose here one is there. No pair is possible means single one I need to combine. I need to write the equivalent value here. 2, what is the equivalent value for 2? A bar, B bar, C, D bar. That is the answer for that. We will solve more number of problems, you will understand. Okay. The same question, I am using this another way of approach. Suppose you may mistakenly you have taken AB here, CD here means the same answer it is going to come. So what is the value? 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. So okay. So how we can combine this? The same thing. So here we have combined 4 ones here. Listen carefully. Here we have combined 4 ones here. The same thing it is going to combine over here. So what is the answer for this? C bar D. The same answer we are getting here. C bar D. Okay. Both are same only. Next thing. Next thing is this combination. What is the answer for this? So what is the answer for this? A bar, B bar, C bar. Already it is present here. A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. So next thing, these two. What is the answer? A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, D. So this is also present. So both are same only. Okay. Is it clear? I am proving that both are same only. You can choose either AB here or CD here. Only thing is, you should be very careful in defining the decimal value inside the box. If this goes wrong, everything goes wrong. Inside the box, decimal value goes wrong means everything goes wrong. So what is the next thing? So what is this value? AB into C. This value is A, C, D bar. The same answer we will get. Okay. So you can choose any format, but the answer is same. So I am going to follow this method hereafter. Okay, I am going to take AB downside and CD in the topmost position. So you can follow any one thing. So both you are getting the same answer only. Okay, any format you can choose, both you are getting the same answer. Is it clear? So you'll solve more number of problems, you'll understand. So after solving all the problems, if you have any doubt means you ask me. Okay, each problem you will have some other doubt. So next problem, take down the second problem. Hold. The four we have combined, no. Already we have combined four now. Wait, I will solve all the type of problem. So take down the second problem. So any doubt in this? So numbering values is any doubt? So up to here, no doubt. So if you are drawing correctly this up to this box means you will get 4 mark for this. If you are drawing this alone, you will get 4 mark. If it is a 8 mark problem, okay. Listen carefully, da. If you are drawing this alone, you will get 4 mark for this. Step mark. So how we can write this? So already you know the conversion. Summation m 0, 1, 5, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay. So now I know the values. You directly write all the values. 0, 1, 5, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Any doubt in this? Any doubt up to this? If you are correctly placing like this, you can easily solve that one. So for this up to this 5 mark for you. So you can get 5 mark. Any doubt? Check whether all the values are I have mentioned all the values 0, 1. So once again you cross verify that in a hurry you may miss any one value inside the box. If you are missing any one value means totally the problem will be wrong. So 0, 1, 5, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Also in a hurry what you will do is you will write 14 here, 15 here. You should be very careful. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. This box contains 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you will do mistake in a hurry. You will place this 8 over here. 8, 9, 10, 11 you will write like that. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4 in the order you will write. The two mistake, common mistake you will do in the exam. If you are doing that mistake means that 4 mark also will go wrong. Okay. So now we are going to combine this. So first you check for the 8 cell combination. 16 mostly it won't possible. 8 cell combination, octet is possible. How many octets there? How many quad is there? How many pair is there? How many single cell? So only one is there. Quad possible? Quad is possible, right? So what is meant by quad? 4 adjacent cells combined together. Quad definition is 4 adjacent cells combined together. 4 adjacent number of ones combined together. Where we are having quad? 4 adjacent cells. This 4 adjacent cells we can combine together. Okay, this makes one quad. Any doubt in this? So next, how many pairs are possible? So there may be 3 pair. Listen carefully. There is a 3 pair here, but we need to choose only 2 pair. How? Suppose This I am making it as one pair. Okay, two adjacent cells combined together. This is also I have combined. If you are combining this also we can combine. If you are combining this means it will result in the redundancy. So mostly we need to avoid the redundancy pair. Okay, already we have combined with some other one. So if you are combining like this means it is right only. But in our problem they have given the simplify the following. For the simplification purpose we need to avoid the redundant pair. This is called as redundant pair. Redundant pair means already this one is combined with this pair with this adjacent cell. This one is combined with this adjacent cell. Okay, we need to avoid the redundant pair. So we should not combine this one. Is it clear? That is not wrong. If we are combining also, you will get mark. But only thing is, you will lose one or two more for that. Why? Because it is a redundant pair. You should not combine that pair. So now tell me the answer. So what is this answer? So in this take a common value. In this two take a common value. So what is the common value here? C is a common value. C is nothing but 1 is nothing but for C. Okay. In this A is a common value. So the answer is AC. Any doubt in this? So I have taken the common values from the two adjacent cells. So in this, so what is the value for this? Anyway, this 2 is going to come as it is. Okay, this 2 is going to come as it is. Only thing is, we need to take the common value outside here. So what is the common value here? So here the common value is D. Here the value is A bar B. So A bar B. A bar B. This value is A bar B. Listen carefully. This value is A bar B. Common value is D. So this is the answer for that. Okay. Next to these two. So what is the answer for this? Common value is A bar B bar. So in these two adjacent cells, what is the common value? C bar. So answer is Y is equal to AC plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar BD. That's all. Okay. Any doubt in this? So only thing is you need to identify the common values. Next, you try to do the third problem. So first you convert this one in the form of, first we need to convert this one in the form of SOP format or min-term format, this format. Already I have told that if they are given the expression means we should be able to convert this one in the form of this format. Then only it is easy to place that value inside the K-map. So first you convert that format. So here the variable is only 3 variables are there. 3 variable means we need to go for the 3 variable K-map. Listen carefully. Here only 3 variable is there, A, B, C. So we can do this problem using the 3 variable K-map itself. Okay. So first identify the values. So what is the value? This can be written as M. What is the value here? 0, 1, 0. What is the answer? A bar is nothing but 0. B is nothing but 1. C bar is nothing but 0. 0, 1, 0 is 2. This value is 1, 0, 1. M5 1, 1, 0. M6 0, 0, 1. M1 that is 7. So third problem. So this can be also be written as summation M. So 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt on this? So if you have any doubt means you ask me how I have converted this. So from the problem I have converted this one into the equivalent min-term format. So from the min term, I have find these values, equivalent decimal value. Okay. Now from the problem itself, we can identify that it is a 3 variable. So you can go with the 3 variable K-map itself. Already you know how to draw the 3 variable K-map. So how we can draw the 3 variable K-map? Zero one, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Okay. So already you know how to draw the 3 variable K-map. So what is the value here? This value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Say any doubt in this? If you have doubt means you stop there itself. Now what is the next step? So what are the values here? Directly you place the values. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Is it clear? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So now you combine and you find the answer. How many? So here once again octet is not possible. So octet possible means all the 8 cells should contain the 1. Octet means all the 8 cells should contain 1. Octet is not possible. Quad is possible. Huh? Quad is also not possible. Why? Because these two are not adjacent cells. These two cells are not adjacent cells. Quad is also not possible. Pair is possible. How many pairs are there? So we need to avoid the redundant pair. Okay. So we can make this one as one pair, this one as another pair, this one as third pair, this one as fourth pair. Since 4 pair is possible, but we need to avoid the redundant pair. So what is the redundant pair here? So we can combine like this. This is one pair. This is one pair. This one can be combined either here or there. Okay. So if you combine here means you will get some other answer. If you combine here means you will get some other answer. Both are right only. So you can combine anywhere. This one can be combined either with this one or this one. Okay. So I will combine with this one. Now write the answer. So what is the answer for this? So I is equal to. So this 0 and 1 is going to become 1 here. Okay. What is the answer here? You write directly. So what is the answer over here? B bar C plus B C bar plus the answer is A B. This is your answer. Any doubt? எது ஹோல்டு பண்ணலாம் இங்க இருந்தா தான் பண்ண முடியும் இது வேற அட்ஜஸ்ட்மென்ட் செல் இது வேற அட்ஜஸ்ட்மென்ட் டாப்பும் பண்ணலாம் இங்க நடுவுல கேப் இருக்குல்ல ஆமாம் இந்த ரெண்டு எடுத்துக்கலாம் எங்க அட்ஜஸ்ட் இந்த இப்படி ஃபோல்டு பண்றோம்ல இப்போ இங்க 4 1 இங்க 4 1 இங்க ஒரு 1 இங்க ஒரு 2 இருக்குன்னா இந்த 4 அப்படியே கம்பைன் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இது 2 தானே இருக்கு இதுல ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை வராது உங்களுக்கு இங்க 2 1 இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதுவும் இப்படி கம்பைன் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இங்க 2 1 கிடையாது இது 2 அட்ஜஸ்ட்மென்ட் சொல்ல முடியாது இது கம்பைன் பண்ணலாம்பா பண்ணுனா ரிடண்டன்ட் பேரா இருக்கும் அது நம்ம பண்ணக்கூடாது இந்த சம்ல அந்த 1 தனியால நிக்குது இங்க 1 தனியா கிடையாது இங்க வந்து ஆல்ரெடி இந்த 1 இதோட கம்பைன் ஆயிருச்சு இந்த 1 இங்க கம்பைன் ஆயிருச்சு இப்போ இங்க ஒரு 1 தனியா இருந்தா பண்ணிருக்கலாம் இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த 1 தனியா நிக்குது இப்போ இதை கம்பைன் பண்றீங்களா போட்டீங்கன்னா தெரியும் இதை அப்படி கம்பைன் பண்றீங்களா இதை இப்போ கம்பைன் பண்றீங்களா இந்த 1 தனியா ஆயிடுச்சு இப்போ இங்க 1 இல்ல அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து சொல்லலாம் இப்போ இங்க 1 இருக்கு இதையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணோம்ல நம்ம இதை தனியா பண்றதுக்கு இதை நான் பேர் ஆக்கிக்குவேன் ப்ராப்ளம் நிறைய பார்க்கும்போது புரியும் உங்களுக்கு எனி டவுட் இன் திஸ் எனி டவுட் So I solve more number of problems, you will understand. This problem, keep it aside. So first we will discuss this one because this is somewhat complicated. Okay. So we need to combine zeros and we need to combine with that. So we will solve more number of problems in one side, then we'll go with lots of problem. Take down another problem. So y of a comma b comma c comma d equal to, write down the problem. Y of a comma b comma c comma d equal to y of take this problem 0 comma 2 comma 5 comma 7 8 comma 10 13 comma 15. Solve this problem. So first to place the 1 in the corresponding box. So how many variable K map we need to go? So in this problem we need to go with the 4 variable K map. First draw the 4 variable K map and place the values, corresponding values inside the box. So if you are drawing 4 variable K map and placing ones in the corresponding K map box means you will get 5 mark for that. So for this box, it will contain 4 mark, and if you are correctly placing the value, you will get another 1 mark. So if it is a 8 mark problem, totally 5 mark for that you will easily get. So only thing is you need to combine. Now place the 1 value inside the box. போட்டியா எங்க வேணா கமெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க. ஆமா ஏதாவது ஒரு சைடு தான் கமெண்ட் பண்ணணும், 2 சைடு பண்ணா ரெடண்டன்ட் ஆயிரும். அதான் சொன்னேன்ல, நான் இங்கிட்டு பண்ணிக்கிறேன், நீ எங்கிட்டு பண்ணாலும் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we can combine this. So what is the value? So I think it is a question bank problem. You can refer your question bank. Whether you are getting this? So what are the possible combinations? Octet is not possible. So 8 cell combination is not possible. There are 2 quad in that. Quad or pair? So actually there are 2 quad here. 2 quads are there. Listen carefully. This is somewhat tricky. Listen, Ra. So I told that I can fold either ways, from right to left, top to bottom. Okay. So if I am folding like this means what I will get? This 2 and this 2 will make 1 quad. Okay. So this one. So this is going to form 1 quad. Okay. This 4 is going to form another quad. So find the answer for this and find the answer for this. So this is somewhat tricky. Listen carefully. This 4 makes a adjacent cell. Okay, this 4 cell is going to make a adjacent cell. Why? Because I can fold in this way also, I can fold in this way also. Okay. Now, how I am going to write the value for this? So, for writing the value, this box is having 1, this box is having 1. In the similar way, this two boxes is having 1. So, I need to find the common values here. In this two, what is the common value? D bar is a common value. Okay. In the similar way, this box and this box, we need to find the common value. So, what is the value? So, the answer is B bar. Common value is D bar. B bar, D bar is the answer. Any doubt in this? So, this box is also containing 1. This box is also containing 1. In the similar way, last row is also containing 1. Okay. I need to find the common variable in this two and in this two. Write the common values, you will get B bar, D bar. Is it clear? So, in the same way, so I need to take this two because this two makes a adjacent cell and this two makes a adjacent cell. In this, I need to take a common variable. In this two, I need to take a common variable. So, what is the value for this? B, D. So, the answer is BD plus B bar, D bar. So, it is a question bank problem. Okay. Question bank anyone was having? Solve another problem. F of A comma B comma C comma D equal to F of A comma B comma C comma D equal to F of A comma B comma C comma D equal to F of A comma B comma C comma D equal to 0 1 0 comma, write down the values. F of A comma B comma C comma D equal to summation M, open the bracket, 0 comma 1 comma 0 1 2 0 1 2 4 5 0 1 2 4 5 6 8 9 8 9 10 8 9 10 12 and 13. So, once again I repeat, 0 1 2 4 5 6 8 9 10 12 13. Solve the question. Solve that. Solve that problem. So, first draw the 4 variable K map, write the values and place the 1 inside the box. You will get 5 marks for that. So, you are solving for 4th question. I will tell. First, we will be very clear with this one. Then we will. That is somewhat tricky. I will do with some other shortcut method. என்னப்பா? ஆமாம். இப்போ இந்த இது காம்பினேஷன் எப்படின்னு தெரியுமா? நீ கம்பைன் பண்ணிடுவீங்களா கரெக்டாக? அதில் எதுவும் டவுட் இருக்கா? இல்லை இல்லை அப்படி இல்லை. இப்போ அட்ஜஸ்டன் ஒன்று எங்கெங்கே பக்கத்து பக்கத்தில் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். இப்போ அட்ஜஸ்டன் ஒன்று இப்போ இங்கே 4 1 இங்கே 4 1 இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 8 செல் அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு ஆப்ஷன் கிடையாது. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இந்த மாதிரி 4 1 எங்கேயாவது கம்பைன் ஆகுதான்னு பாருங்கள். 4 பாக்ஸ் பக்கத்து பக்கத்தில் அதுவும் இல்லை. இங்கே ஆனால் கம்பைன் ஆகுது. ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாகவும் இருந்துக்கலாம். அந்த 4 1 இப்படி இருந்துக்கலாம், இப்படி இருந்துக்கலாம். ஆனால் 4 1 பக்கத்து பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும். அப்படி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் நம்மளுக்கு இருக்குது. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது இந்த 4 பாக்ஸுமே கம்பைன் ஆகுதா? அப்போ இது என்ன ஆகுனா இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து இன்டூ 1ன்னு ஆயிரும். இப்போ இங்கே என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அதை டைரெக்டாக எழுதணும். இது என்ன வேல்யூ? இது ஈக்குவலண்ட் வேல்யூ. இது வந்து சி பார் பி. அந்த வேல்யூ நான் டைரெக்டாக எழுதிக்கிறேன். இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து வேற எந்த பாசிபிளும் கிடையாது. குவாடு பண்ண முடியாது, பேர் தான் பண்ண முடியும். நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி பேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம் பக்கத்து பக்கத்து ஒன்று. இப்போ இது 2 பேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா இதோட காமன் வேல்யூபிள் எதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். இதில் வந்து இது வந்து சி பார் டி பார் எழுதிக்கோங்க. இதில் வந்து சி பார் தான் காமனாக இருக்குது. அந்த சி பார் எழுதிக்கிறேன். இந்த வேல்யூ டைரெக்டாக வரும், ஏன்னா இந்த பாக்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் கம்பைன் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால் ஏ பார் பி பார், இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து ஏ பார் பி பார், அதை டைரெக்டாக எழுதிக்கிறேன். இதே மாதிரி இந்த இதுலேயும் ஏ பார் பி பார் வந்து காமனாக இருக்குது, ஏன்னா இந்த ரோ தான் ஒரே ரோ தான் அது. அதனால் ஏ பார் பி பார் காமனாக எழுதிட்டேன். இதில் 2 காமன் வேரியபிள் எதுனா டி தான் காமனாக இருக்குது, அந்த டி எழுதி. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே இதில் வந்து ஏபி காமனாக வந்துடும். இது காமன் வேரியபிள் வந்து சி வந்து காமனாக இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் சி எழுதி. அப்போ இதே மாதிரி இங்கே இப்போ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது காமனாக இருக்கும், சி டி பார் வந்துடும். இது 2க்கும் காமன் வேரியபிள் என்ன இருக்கோ அது. So what is the answer we are getting? Have you solved that question? So what is the question, Ra? 0 1 2 4 5 6 is there, 6 8 9 10 12 13 14 is also there, right? So everyone place the one correctly. So this what you got, right? So how we can combine this? So listen here there is no 1 here. You should not combine say octet. So here we can combine this as 1 octet. So all 8 ones combined together. Okay. So all 8 ones combined together means here all the 4 boxes combined together. No need to look here. Anyway, it is going to be 1 here. No need to look out here. Okay. It is going to be 1 here. Only thing is you need to take the common variable outside. So what is the common variable here? C bar is the common variable. So for this answer is C bar. Okay. For this answer is C bar. Next, how we can combine next thing? So how many quads are possible? 1 octet is completed. 2 quads are possible. 2 quads are possible. This one and this one will make 1 quad. So what is the answer for this? So answer is A bar, D bar. So what is another quad? So what is another quad? Listen carefully. This one is left alone. This one is left alone means we should not combine this one single-handedly. Okay, we need to check whether adjacent cells are possible or not. Here this one, this one, this one and this one makes a 1 quad. Okay, what is the answer for that? This one, this one. So answer is D bar, B bar. So this is your answer. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? So don't, if one alone is there means, don't think that it should not combine with any other one. If already combined also, we can combine with that. Okay, that is the rule. If there is no combination means, we have to combine that one separately only. Okay. So everyone getting this answer? Any different answers? Anyone is having different answer? So solve another problem. Solve this question. Solve the next problem. Zero comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 8 comma 9 comma 15. Hmm. Common variable. What is a common variable here? D bar is a common variable. In this two, A bar is a common variable. So A bar, D bar is a common variable. Any doubt? Combine this. So what is the answer we are getting? So this is one quad. This is one quad. So another quad is here. So another one is left out. What we need to do? So we need to combine separately. No other way. Okay. There is no adjacent cell near that one. So we need to combine that one separately. So what is the answer we are getting? So Y is equal to A bar C bar. Then B bar. So what is the answer for this? This one box, what is the value for this box? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Here A, B, this is C, D. Okay, the answer is, so if you left out with one also, we need to combine that one. Okay, that is the last step. So if any pair is not available means, we need to combine that one also. Don't left that, there is no combination of adjacent cells, don't left that one as it is. We need to write that value also. Okay. So here this one is not going to make a pair or a quad or octet with any other combination of one. It is going to left alone. So then we will come to the fourth problem. So listen carefully. This fourth problem can be done in two methods. So one thing is, so you can directly place the value of 0 inside the box for whatever you have done. Okay, that is one method. So another method is, whatever we have done in the earlier procedure, do as it is. The only thing is, in the last step, what we need to do is, we need to take the complement of the answer. Okay, that is another method. So whatever useful procedure we have done earlier, it is the best way, and at last we can take the complement. Then we won't do any mistake in that. Otherwise, we will get confused. Instead of A, here it should be A plus B, A bar plus B bar. Okay, that is somewhat the logic is there. So that will be confusing. So do as it is. So whatever we have done, earlier method, do as it is. Final answer is there, no? You take the complement for that answer. That is the answer. Okay. So take one as it is. So whatever the useful procedure, do as it is. Okay. 0, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. So do as it is. What is the answer we will get? Y is equal to, find the answer. So listen here. This is one quad. This is another quad. Okay. This is one pair. This is another pair. There are two quad, two pairs, and one single cell combination. Solve it. There are two quads available, two pairs available, and one single cell combination is available. So this is one quad. This four adjacent ones is going to make one quad. This two adjacent one and this two adjacent one is going to make another quad. So there are two quads. This one and this one is going to make one pair. This one and this one is going to make another pair. So two pairs and one single one is there. Find the answer. So what is the answer for first quad? Are you getting this answer? Any different answers? So any different answer we are getting? No one is getting this answer. Huh? Check the answer. So no one solved. Huh? Is anyone getting this answer? Any different answers? So what is this answer? This four adjacent ones. Common variable is here A, C. AC is a common variable. Okay. So for this AC, this two terms, answer is B bar B bar C, B bar C. This pair, A bar, B bar, D bar, and this pair AB, D bar, and that 5 answer is 0, 1, 0, 1. 5 answer. Okay. So listen here. So since in your problem they ask you to do the POS method, so we need to take the complement form of this. So actually the value it is in the Y bar. Okay, listen carefully. This is only step we are going to include in this. In your problem, if it is a general summation M term means the answer will be in the form of Y. Here they have given pi m format. The answer will be in the form of Y bar. So in order to make this answer as Y means, so I need to make a complement whole complement. Okay. So this will be equal to AC plus B bar C plus A bar B bar D bar plus AB D bar plus A bar B C bar D whole complement. Okay. So in this we need to apply the De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? A plus B plus C plus D whole bar equal to. So what is the De Morgan's law? A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar. I am going to apply the De Morgan's law over here. So Y is equal to AC bar So by applying De Morgan's law, okay, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So I have applied that law. A plus B plus C plus D plus E whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D bar dot E bar. Okay. So once again I will apply De Morgan's law, you will get the answer. So what is this format? A dot B whole bar. A dot B whole bar. What is the De Morgan's law for A dot B whole bar? A bar plus so this answer is B plus C bar. This answer is A plus B plus D. A bar plus B bar plus D. This answer is A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. This is your final answer. So it will be in the form of POS format. Okay, this is your final answer. So only one step. We need to take the complement for the last step. You will get the answer. What? Completed. Then you do the complement and find the answer. This is in the form of SOP format. But in our question, they have asked for POS format. What we need to do is take full complement, apply De Morgan's law and find the answer. So apply De Morgan's law, try to solve on your own. Don't see the board and do it. So only one step we need to include. The format, you take the complement for that, you will get the POS format. Otherwise, you will get confused. If you are applying the directly POS format in the K-map and if you are solving this, definitely you will do mistake. This is the simplest method. What? Any doubt? Girls, any doubt? Question man kuda? Take this question bank problem. Solve this. Solve this problem and check your question bank. You will get the answer. Question bank பார்த்து solve பண்ணாத நீயே பண்ணு. So question bank they will be following different method. You try to solve in this method and get the answer. First find the SOP format of that, then take the complement for SOP, you will get the POS format. So listen here, the difference between SOP and POS format is nothing but complement of SOP is POS, complement of POS is nothing but SOP. So we are applying that law only. So first you find the SOP format, take the complement, you will get the POS format. I வந்தா லாஸ்ட் அந்த ஸ்டெப் பண்ணனும் நீங்க. இதுவும் அதேதான். So only this is applicable when they are giving the capital pi value. Okay. You should be very careful that whether they have given summation m or capital pi. Summation means useful procedure. Capital pi means we need to do the another step extra. So whatever the answer obtained, you need to take the complement for that. So what is the final answer we are getting? First tell the SOP format. Y is equal to C bar plus BC. BC. So this is your SOP format. So in order to convert this one into the POS format, so it is, understand that it is in the format of Y bar. Okay. So I need to find Y, take the complement of this. Take the complement for that. So this is in the format of A plus B whole bar. So applying De Morgan's law, you will get A bar dot B bar. So C double bar into BC. Check this one, BC D bar. I think it is wrong. Check the answer. The answer is B D bar. So listen carefully. So once again we need to apply the De Morgan's law. So the answer will be C into B plus B bar plus D. C into B bar plus C is the answer. Check the question bank. Answer now, number. You are getting the same answer. You can refer your question bank. C into B bar plus D. But they have solved in some other method. We have solved in other method and we have find the answer. Hmm? Yeah, useful procedure. Same thing. A plus B whole bar. A bar dot B bar. Hmm. Whole bar means everything will be dot product. So any doubt? So listen, this K map is very important for designing in third unit and fourth unit. So if you don't know how to combine all the ones and if you are not able to find the equation means it is very difficult for third unit and fourth unit. So also, so you have the question bank with you. So the questions will be within the question bank only. So this is the easiest unit to score marks. If you are third unit and fourth unit, it will be very difficult. So try to study all the question and get score. So try to score above more number of marks in the session 1 itself. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. So once again, third and fourth unit, it will be completely designing only. If you are not listening anything, totally third and fourth unit will be zero only. So first two units it will be easy to score marks. Try to get maximum marks over here. Okay. So any doubt means you can ask me. If you are having question bank means check the question bank problem.